Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it is easy. It is the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell. That bell is a notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I do upload a new video. So you'll be all set. So like I said, just press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you're totally going to be in the know. The other thing is, if you're enjoying my content and you're a part of the family of True Wants, or even if you're new, that thumbs up underneath of the video is really important for my growth on the YouTube platform. So if you could take a second and just go underneath and press that thumbs up, it will help me grow on the YouTube platform. YouTube then takes my videos and puts them in front of other people to meet me. They enjoy this type of content, they just haven't met me yet, but I do need your help for that, and that is the thumbs up. All right. You're going to be leaving me comments after I finish sharing some of this news with you because, okay, just to bring you a little bit of an update, I live in Florida. It has been crazy this week. We have been under hurricane watch, tropical storms, tornado watches, the downpours. We've had internet in and out. We finally got no internet at all, no TV, no phone for over 24 hours. Yesterday, finally, by midday, we got sporadic internet back up. I was able to get a lot of things done. But with that said, you miss a day, you miss a lot. And it was a lot that happened during the day that I had no access to any information. So I want to thank just a few people who didn't even know I was out of commission, and they shared some information with me, and I'm going to take this opportunity quickly to share some of it with you guys in case you didn't know what was going on also. We all know the news about BoxyCharm at this point with the merge, or it's all, it's a little more complicated than everything that we're all reading because it's, there's venture capitalists involved and all of that. But the bottom line is that BoxyCharm and IPSY are now working together. They're also forming a separate company and all that. With that said, as far as my understanding is, everything's still going to be run very separately, but they're going to combine a lot of their resources to better each other's individual companies, and then they're going to be doing something on their own. In the meantime, IPSY was going to be doing something that they were hinting about a few months ago, and finally that started, and I think BoxyCharm is going to be involved in this right now, but I know that it is involved on the IPSY platform. And what I'm talking about, there's two things, because one I knew about and one I had no idea. So I'm going to first thank Living Obsessed, who sent me a DM through Instagram. She informed me that this Refreshments is now, the tab is there for if you want it to go on. From my understanding, there was supposed to be a free trial, but maybe by the time I went on, there wasn't a free trial anymore, which meant 1 month free. I don't know if that's what I'm going to get, but on the IPSY platform, on the top, there's this tab that says Refreshments, and that is a monthly news subscription that IPSY has added to their platform that is going to give us the opportunity to get things that we use, like wipes and hand cream and things like that. They really were very vague about it. I'm going to read a little bit about what information they had on their site, which I had to really dig for. And then I'm going to tell you about another, they are discontinuing the Ultimate, and they're opening up a Glam X bag, which they're saying stands for extra, but it's just Glam X, which I'm going to go through with you because I didn't know about that until Rhonda, who is one of my subscribers, thank you so much, was generous enough to send me an email that she got directly from IPSY, which even after I went through all my emails, I never got. And as you know, I get all three on my platform. So I emailed IPSY to find out more information about it last night. I still haven't heard back, but I also wanted to know why I didn't get that same email that Rhonda so generously sent to me. The other person on Instagram that I was able to get a little bit more information is IPSY versus Boxy. And she said to me that if I go to my tab, which I'll go through with you how I ended up being able to sign up for it, even though I couldn't find it anywhere. So before I get ahead of myself, I just want to share this information with you. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is what are Refreshments. And it says Refreshments is a new personalized membership of a clean face and body essentials at an extraordinary value for members who want to jazz up their everyday routines. Here's how it works. You sign up and you'll get an exclusive trial offer. That's what I understood, but when I signed up, it didn't tell me it was a trial offer. When I signed up, just simply by hitting the tab, it said to me that they will, I guess there's a wait list or something, but they'll, be in touch, I guess, when this is all going to start. It says so you can test it out and see what it's like. We'll ensure you that we will stock you for your routine of your favorite superstar essentials. From time to time, they're going to add some everyday extras for us to try. When they start making expert recommendations on items they think that we would love. They're going to update your reoccurring monthly orders by adding, removing, or skipping products before the last day of each month. You can skip products or cancel anytime. Keep in mind that this is a separate membership from your Glam bag, so you'll get billed separately starting on your second month, but the good news is that it will ship together with your Glam bag. Okay, how do I sign up? It says, since Refreshments is new, we're doing a slow roll out, so not all members may have access. Click on the new Refreshments tab that's on the top, and it says to see if you're eligible to sign up. If you are not eligible to access it yet, don't worry. You can sign up to be the first in line to access the membership the following month, the next month. Okay, it says we are not offering Refreshments to our members in Canada and DC at this time, but we hope to expand there soon. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this Glam X box. And this one took me for a loop because I didn't even know anything that was going on with this. So I can't thank, again, Rhonda, who's a subscriber and has been very generous and sent me her email information that she sent down, as well as IPSY versus Boxy on Instagram. So it says, what is Glam Bag X? It says Glam Bag X is our new quarterly limited edition upgrade to your monthly IPSY membership. Your Glam Bag X includes 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350. It's specially curated by beauty's biggest taste makers and celebs, and you'll even get to choose 3 from the personalized assortments. Every limited edition of the Glam Bag X is curated by a different celeb. Glam Bag X is only for IPSY members, so be sure you have a Glam Bag or a Glam Bag Plus in order to unlock your upgrade. A new Glam Bag X will drop in February, May, August, and November. During these months, your Glam Bag X replaces your usual monthly bag, either your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus. If you have both, they will choose for it to replace your Glam Bag Plus. Your Glam Bag X is only an additional, and this is if you have the Glam Bag, that's the starter bag, will be $43 a month additional on those months, and then $30 will be for the Glam Bag Plus members. In other words, it's going to be a $55 bag during those quarterly months. And it says, note, Glam Bag X is currently first available as an upgrade for the Glam Bag Ultimate members, and the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus members can update at a later time. So, like I said, I didn't get that email that Rhonda sent to me, which was giving her, it was beautifully laid out, and it showed her that I think one of the celebs that might be the first ones is going to be Patrick Ta. And then also, if you sign up, they're giving an additional very expensive cream from 111 Skin, which has a value of over $270. There's a lot of little perks, but like I said, I couldn't see where to sign up for it on my page. Then when I went to Instagram to see if anyone was talking about it, the IPSY versus Boxy was the first thing that popped up on my screen because I follow her really closely. And she had a lot of information on her Instagram. And then I wrote to her and said to her, where do I find it on the IPSY page? And she recommended that I go to my Ultimate tab and see if anything shows up in that information there, and it did. So I pressed because I get the Ultimate, I pressed the Ultimate tab, and then there was a box that asked me, one of those screens that slides, and that's where I went. So I clicked on that, and then it asked me if I wanted to upgrade to that, and I said yes. And then I got an email confirmation saying that I'm confirmed for the free gift, and then a second email that told me I am going to be confirmed for more information, because there was a second square that said that there was going to be a choice of something, and that didn't show up for me. So I think there's still, you know, things that they're working out and doing, but that's the information that I have right now. So I wanted to make sure to do a quick video to be able to share this with you guys. And like I said, if you have any more information that you want to share with me, please leave them in the comments down below. But for now, that's the information that I have, and I just wanted to quickly come on and share that with you. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate that you take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. And really important during this time is that everybody continues to stay safe, to stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.